Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I have a ton of PR to show you. Some of these products were gifted to me at events, some of these were shipped to me, some of these have been here for months. Yeah, that is why I have compiled quite a few products to show you. Some of these I am actually wearing and have tried out. Some of these are brand new. Some of these came from brands that I haven't worked with yet, so I'm really excited to try them out and share them with you. Like I said, there's a ton here, so let's get started. I have a lot of it over here. I have some right down here in front of me. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go by brand. So I'm going to start off with the company that's been the most patient with me because they keep sending me products even though I haven't shown their products in a while, and these boxes have just been piling up. I'm going to start with Pixi Beauty. So here are just some of the boxes that were sent to me by Pixi. This isn't even everything. One of the things that's not here is a toner. You know, the rose toner, the rose tonic toner. My husband and I love it. I've already opened that up and have it in my bathroom. They send me a personalized one every so often, so I always appreciate that. I love those, but that's already in the bathroom. So here we have their Vitamin C Capsule Care. This is a brightening face serum. It says it brightens, it energizes, it nourishes, and they're biodegradable capsules, so that's great. And it says a perfect dose every time. So there we go. This, when I see things like this, I think of my mom. She used to use vitamin C capsules like this. So yeah, I love that. This one I am dying to try. Okay, this is their in-shower steam facial. Have y'all heard of this? This multitasking self-heating mask transforms your shower into your own Pixi Perfect Home Spa. Infused with vegan acacia collagen, sage, peptides, and lavender to perfectly cleanse, nourish, and plump fine lines. And here is the product itself, and it came with a little little facial towel right here. Very cute. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, this is new. This is their Dreamy Mist, Jasmine and Lavender, an overnight mist. And it comes with a dreamy sleep mask. Oh, it's personalized. That is so cute. It says Jessica is getting ready to glow. That is so cute. Oh my God, thank you so much, Pixi. And then it also comes with their Dreamy Eye Patches. Oh, I'm setting this aside right now. I'm using this tonight. Here we have 5 essentials in 5 minutes. So here's one of the products. You see there's something missing here? That's because I've already used it, and that is their CC Crayon. It says by under eye. So this is a product that helps you conceal dark circles. As I mentioned, I have not been getting good sleep for a while, so my dark circles are, yeah, they're pretty bad. So I can tell you that this does help cover up the dark circles. However, it seemed very pigmented to me and a little deep. I wouldn't use this by itself, so this would be good under your makeup. And if you're like me, you're gonna still need concealer, but we'll talk about that later. Then we have the Lash Booster Mascara. This is a lifting mascara in Blackest Black. Then we have a Sheer Cheek Gel in Flushed. I've used these are very good. Then we have a Lip Lift Mask in Sheer Rose. And then we have a Brow Tamer Translucent Brow Gel. In here, we're missing 2 products. So I'm gonna start off with this product right here. This is the one that I'm the most excited to share with you guys. This is the Plessy Vit Glowy Powder. Perfect as both a blush and highlight. Apply onto the tops of cheekbones or anywhere you want to glow, creating a dazzling finish to any makeup. It says here that it is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. This radiant powder helps energize the skin and brighten every complexion. I love this. I love it. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful finish. Absolutely obsessed with this. I mean, look at that glow. I mean, it's beautiful. So pretty. Love this. Pick this up ASAP because it's beautiful. By the way, I will link to all of the products in the description box below, as well as the YouTube shopping section underneath. That way you can check out the products without having to stop the video or leave the platform. Then we have the Liquid Fairy Lights. Our light reflecting 3D glimmers can be used alone or added on top to complete any enchanting eye look. And then this is the Tint Fix, a soft focus multi-use tint that can be dabbed on both cheeks and lips for an all-day stay. And the other product that I'm wearing today is the Lash Line Ink. Smooth and quick drying formula can be added to the lash root for extra definition and fuller looking lashes. I quickly grabbed that product without reading the information, which was my mistake. I really liked the tip. It's a felt tip. It's kind of like a tapered cone foam, and now I know why it was so great for one thing but not great for another. So I use this to kind of stamp on. You can drag it, but you can also stamp on right along the lash line, and for stamping on the lash line, it was great. However, it was a little too quick drying for me to do my little wing liner, so by the time I got out here, it was already kind of dry, and even though I left it like this to sort of let the ink go down, it still was not wet enough or didn't have enough product to give me like a nice clean wing or cat eye. Now I know why, because it's not meant to do that. Like I said, you can drag it, but I really like it to stamp on the liner right at the lash line. Speaking of eyes, I got this from Kaja. This is their Wink Dazzle. It's eyeshadow and glitter multi-sticks, and there are 6 of them in the collection. There we go. On one end, we have the sticks that have the creamy eyeshadow, and then on the other end, we have the stamp, which has that glitter product. There are 6 of these. The 6 are Ice Illusion, Champagne Sequin, Peach Sprinkle, Mauve Mirage, Petal Prism, and Mocha Sparkle. I started my eye look with Mauve Mirage, and I applied it across my crease and actually kind of a little bit above my crease because I have hooded eyes, and then I used my finger to sort of just tap it into place and blend it out. One of the many reasons that I love Kaja is that so many of their products can be applied with just your fingertips. Clean hands, of course. I just used my fingertip to blend that out, and it applied beautifully. Really liked it. Really liked the pigmentation. And then I added Petal Prism to my lid, and again used my finger to sort of blend it out. And then using the Petal Prism stamp, I applied some of that glitter to the inner corners of my eye and across my lower lash line. Really pretty. Love these products because they're so easy to use. If you're a beginner or you just like simplicity with your makeup looks, their products are incredible. And I'm going to try to do at least a reel swatching all of these products so that you can see what they look like. But they're beautiful, really recommend them. For my mascara, I used FanFest from Benefit. This has been one of the most hyped mascaras that I've seen recently. It says here it's a fanning and volumizing mascara. It has a curved wand, which I really like, really appreciate. It really does a good job of grabbing onto your lashes and then helping them push up. You guys know my struggle with my lashes. They are straight and they're straight down, which is why I had to do a lash lift. But I love that this helps with that because, like I said, it's curved, so it really grips onto your lashes from corner to corner almost, and then really does a good job of coating them while lifting. So I really like this mascara. The last product I'm wearing is from WinkyLux. This is their Joyful Jewels set. It says it's $29 but has a $51 value, and it comes with 3 lip products right here. It says Joyful Jewels is gem-packed with a trio of jewel-toned pH lip balms that transform into your skin's most flattering pink with subtle shimmer as soon as you swipe it on. It comes with Amethyst, which is the purple one. It comes with Rosé Glimmer, which is the rosé colored one. And then it comes with 24 karat gold glimmer. Today I'm wearing Rosé Glimmer because it kind of goes with my, pinky hues that I have going on. It is very moisturizing and it lasts. I did my makeup hours ago and I did reapply the lip balm, but I reapplied it like at least an hour ago. Lips still feel really nice. It's a very pretty pink color. Yeah, I'm a fan of these. Next up we have Smashbox. Okay, Smashbox sent me their original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I just opened this up and I didn't realize that this is what they sent me. I actually am wearing this. I have one that I just decided to grab because it's been a while, it's been there for a while. I'm like, I need to finish this before it goes bad. So I use that as my primer. This primer, it's a classic, it's a bestseller. People love this for a reason. It really does do a great job of smoothing your skin before you apply makeup. If you have texture, any dry spots, any acne spots that you're dealing with, this is a really good primer to smooth that out so that when you apply your foundation, your complexion products, or any other makeup over it, it does a very good job of helping smooth those areas out. Let's move on to Urban Decay, one of my favorite makeup brands ever for years and years and years. I went to an Urban Decay event for the launch of some of their brow products, so I'm really excited to show you these. So the event that I went to was to celebrate the launch of this product right here. This is their Big Bush Brow, and it is a volume building tinted gel and hold. At the event, I met the incredible UD Steve K. He's an incredible makeup artist. I've been wanting to meet him for so long, so I was so excited to see him there, and I was even more excited that he did my brows. So what he used was, number one, he used the brow blade. This is dual-ended, and it has a waterproof pencil on one side, and then it has the ink stain on the other. I use this to fill in my brows in certain areas, and then the ink part looks like this. It's a very thin brush, and you use this to draw individual hairs. If you have a heavy hand, just go in gently, slowly. So when this says ink, it's ink, okay? So if you have a heavy hand, go in slowly, gently, carefully, because it's easy to go a little overboard and get some really intense looking brows. So trust me, it's good, it's a great product, and because of that, just go in gently. But don't be scared. If you do happen to make them a little too intense, just use a clean spoolie to brush them out, and trust me, you'll love the way they look. It's a really great product. Highly recommend this. At the event, they had these little pamphlets that explained what products to use for what look. So if you want a natural look, Big Bush Brow is your product. It's tinted once again. It has hold, so you can use this to both fill in your brow a little bit, but also place them in the way that you want to place them. Really like this product. Really enjoyed using this. If you're looking for a more laminated look, that's when you use this one. This is the Slick Day Brow. It's a styling and setting gel with strong hold. And as that pamphlet shows, and as I'll explain to you, you can also use a combination of all this. So I use the pencil to fill in my brows a bit, and then I use the ink stain to draw individual hairs in these areas where my hair is a little sparse, because all of a sudden I have little bald spots, little bald areas. Like right here, all of a sudden it looks like I have a scar. Like, you ever see people who fall and have a scar? That's all of a sudden there's like a line of nothing. So that's where this one comes in. You can use this to draw individual hairs. It does a really good job at it once again. And then mostly I just use the Big Bush Brow. I haven't used the Slick Day Brow yet, but I do have a couple of hairs. If you ever have a couple of hairs that just like refuse to stay where you put them, then that's where this one comes in. And this one comes in with, instead of a spoolie, it comes with a full-on little comb. So yeah, you can always use a combination of this for the areas that you need them. And since we're talking about Urban Decay and PR, I can't remember if I shared this one officially. I think I have. I think I'd used this in a video recently, but I'll just share it again because it's really good. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie up to 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. This is the lighter one. This is the one that I use under my eyes. As I mentioned, I have really bad dark circles under my eyes right now because of the stress and lack of sleep. This will cover up even your darkest sins, okay? It does a great job, and I love that it comes with its own little brush at the end. Love this product, highly recommend. In the event goodie bag, not only did we get the 3 brow products, but they also gave us an all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray, up to 16 hours of wear. This is one of my favorites. This has been in my collection for years and years and years, and it will always be because it's one of the best setting sprays ever. So thankful to have another one of this to add to my stock. They also gave us a Vice lip balm. This is in the color Love Ya Back Talk. I haven't tried this yet, and I'm so excited to do so. It says unbreakable color, intense and full color payoff that won't crack or feather. Unrestrained wear, transfer, smudge, and water resistant for the free, rebellious, and fun. Oh, I love Back Talk. I love Back Talk. It's one of their best lip colors that they've ever produced, so I'm excited to use this. And then they also gifted us this. This is from Fur. This is their Fur Oil, and it says here it's for pubic hair, skin, and more. Okay, I have to read the description for this. It says here, natural skincare and hair care for up top, down there, and everywhere in between. Safe for your most sensitive areas and won't stain your silk. Specifically designed for pubic hair and skin, our signature blend of lightweight oils gently softens hair and clears pores for fewer ingrowns and healthier skin. Thanks, Urban Decay. So since I'm talking about events, another event that I attended was from Peace Out for the launch of their early stage acne dot. This is 8 acne dots with 430 dissolving microneedles with salicylic acid, niacinamides, and oligopeptides. I think that's how it's pronounced. Sorry if it's not. But we all know Peace Out and their acne spots, right? Very good. I've been buying them for many years. But this one is made for when they first appeared. You know, when you get a spot, an acne spot, you can feel it coming. You have the bump, you have a little bit of the redness, but it's not anywhere near the surface of the skin where you can actually treat it. It's too deep. So that is what this is for. It says here, in the clear before zits appear. Feel a bump coming, put a dot on it. Peace Out bumps. These early stage acne fighting pimple patches are gentle yet effective solution to tackle below the surface breakouts. 430 tiny microneedles dissolve and deliver a concentration of salicylic acid, niacinamide, and oligopeptides and succinic acid to attack the blemish, helping minimize your bumps before they appear. Very cool. I'm definitely trying this out. As soon as I feel one coming, I'm definitely trying out. I'll let you know how that goes. The next products are from Function of Beauty. They sent me their straight hair shampoo and conditioner. I do have quite straight hair. It's a little wavy. This is because I had my hair braided, so you're seeing a lot more curl and texture in it than it usually has, so I'm excited to try this out. They also sent me their straight hair mask, and then they sent me 4 of their booster shots. These are numbered, so it appears like they have at least 10 of these booster shots, so I'm really curious what those other ones are. The ones that I have is number 1, which is their anti-frizz booster shot. I have number 3, which is their deep condition booster shot. I have number 9, their lengthen booster shot, and then number 10, their strengthen booster shot. I've heard really good things about this brand, so I'm excited to try these out. The next event that I went to was hosted by Secret and Thirdlove. So at the event, I got these new products. This is their whole body line. This includes the whole body deodorant, the whole body deodorant spray, and the whole body deodorant invisible cream. And these are in the scent Peach and Vanilla Blossom. I know these are gonna come in super handy in the summer because summers in New York are no joke. At the event, Thirdlove was sizing people to find their perfect bra size. So I got fitted and was gifted this. So pretty, so pretty. It is their 24/7 Classic Uplift Plunge Bra. Your girl is a proud member of the committee. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you know what I'm talking about. I am a proud member of the committee, a lifelong member of the committee. I do not see myself ever not being in the committee, but every once in a while, you know, you want to fill in a top a little more. So that's where this one's going to come in handy. All right, and those were some of the many products that were sent to me in PR in the last couple of months. I'm so happy to finally open these up and try them out and share them with you. I will be trying more of them out and probably making dedicated reels. Let me know if there's a specific product that you want me to do a review on or to do a reel on so that I know which ones you guys want to see a little closer, a little better. Definitely going to be doing that with the Kaja sticks so that you can see what each shade looks like. By the way, if you're new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle creator. I create content on beauty, fashion, luxury, family, travel, and lifestyle. If any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications on for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule, so if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Let me know if you have any questions, any requests in general, or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.